I'm printing a Flexi Factory skeleton Ankylosaurus. Now I printed this on my K1 Max using an Overture purple PLA, and it came out nice and clean, as you can see by the print. I do like the Flexi Factory prints. They're always nice and clean, they don't need supports, and they work as they should. Now I'm going to give this to my daughter to paint, so we'll see how it turns out once she's done that. And this is it once she's painted it. That looks quite nice. That's another thing I like with the prints is my daughter loves to paint them, so and I do, to be honest, so it's quite relaxing. This model does come with a stand, but I didn't print the stand. And it'll stand on its front feet. That's its feature, I suppose. And that's it, a Flexi skeleton Ankylosaurus. If you like the video, please like and subscribe, it's always most appreciated. And I'll finish off with some pictures of the Ankylosaurus.